Meaning of forthrightly.
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 Forthrightly. Forthrightly is an adverb that means to be honest and direct in speech or behavior. It implies speaking openly and straightforwardly without any hesitation or deception. A person who communicates forthrightly expresses their opinions clearly and confidently, while also being respectful of others. They avoid beating around the bush and are upfront about their views. Being forthrightly can build trust and credibility as it demonstrates sincerity and transparency. However, it can also be challenging as it may lead to uncomfortable conversations or offend others.